If alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then find the value of alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. So first of all, we know that the sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and the product of root alpha beta is equal to c upon a. Now we have to find the value of alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. Now we can multiply this alpha by this alpha, so we have alpha square, and beta multiplied by beta is beta square upon beta alpha. Now we can add and subtract 2 alpha beta in the numerator, so we have alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta, and by commutative law beta alpha can be written as alpha beta. Now alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta upon alpha beta. Now we can put the value of alpha plus beta over here, so we have minus b upon a whole square minus 2 times, in place of alpha beta we can put c upon a, and again in the denominator we can put c upon a. Now square of minus b is b square, and square of a is a square minus 2c upon a upon c upon a. Now multiply this fraction by a and divide this fraction by a, so we have 2ca upon a square. Now the denominators are same, so we can subtract the numerators, so we have b square minus 2ca upon a square, and when we change this fraction into multiplication, so this denominator will become the reciprocal, so c upon a can be written as a upon c. Now we can cancel this a and this a, so we have b square minus 2ca upon ac. So the value of alpha plus beta, alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha is b square minus 2ca upon ac.